Hey guys, this is Dr. Herb. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Classification, and this is nothing but of the stem cells. So what are the classification? First is the totipotent. The totipotent cells. So totipotent cells, the capacity to differentiate, it is they can form the embryonic and the extra embryonic cells. And extra embryonic cells, that is a totipotent, TOTI. Next is, what do we have? Next is the examples includes the zygote and the early blastospores. So zygote as well as early blastomeres. Next we move on to the pluripotent. So what is pluripotent? Pluripotent is nothing but they form all cell types of embryonical body. So all cell types, there is nothing but the pluripotent embryonic cells, but cannot form that of the placenta and the umbilical cord. So can't form the placenta and the umbilical cord. Your placenta and the umbilical cord cannot be formed. The examples include the inner cell mass. Next is the multipotent. The multipotent means they form more than one category cells, and this includes the hematopoietic stem cells, HSC. Then we move on to the oligopotent. Oligopotent means it is that they form only one category of cells, and the examples include the vascular stem cells. So it's the vascular stem cells. Then comes the unipotent. So what is the unipotent? Unipotent is they form only one type of cell. Example being the liver cell. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.